What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this branding mockup scene in Photoshop using your design in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. When this is done, launch Photoshop and drag and drop one of the branding scene files into Photoshop to open the project. Each branding scene file has different properties, and the process of editing each is quite similar. Once the branding scene file is fully loaded up, expand the paper holder folder and then expand the Place Any Letterhead Here groups. Here, expand the font group and double-click the Your Design layer thumbnail. A new window will open up. In the Your Design layer, proceed to enter your preferred text, which in this case is usually a name. When this is done, see what paper background you wish to place behind your text by unhiding the I button next to the paper texture layers. Choose the one that you like the most and use the Ctrl and S shortcut to save the design and apply your changes to the main template. You can also change the position of the stationary objects by highlighting them in the layer panel and while holding the Ctrl key and using your mouse to move them around. Continue experimenting with different objects and their properties until you get your final desired look. After making the necessary changes to this Photoshop template, you can go ahead and export your final project. The link to this template and our extensive guide will be linked in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.